Okay, guys, so today is our second day at Turks and CAICOS, and we are going to get some breakfast, sign me and Jordan up for the Sesame Camp Sesame, and then we're gonna get to the water park. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we go there. Bye.
We're gonna get the kids signed up for Camp Sesame today. Oh. Ooh, nice.
I got wet, ears and mouth open. I just got your wet look out of.
Where you want to go?
To Pirate Island.
All right, Pirates Island Water Park.
Now we need to find a spot to put our stuff.
Me and Dad are going to find which one goes in the water park. So it's just going to be mine. I'm feeling it. You two together. I'm going to down the hill. Now we're both going to
Well, there's a couple here, and then there's, look over there. There's more over there. See those bigger ones? There's more over there. No, not right now. Oh, there's a bunch of chairs over that way. So Mom's got some towels. Got them right there for the water slides. Liking that lazy river. Oh. Curls and swirls. Oh, and there's the water park.
Jordan, let's go down these two slides right here. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go look and see what they have at Curls and Swirls. You want some ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, this is cute. Curls and Swirls. Ooh, shakes. Over the top shakes.
This is the frozen yogurt caramel pretzel.
Ooh, how is
and
it?
It's very good. If you like caramel,
Oh, and they have pink lemonade.
you'll like it, yeah.
Ah, Fairy Princess. Just a vanilla shake. Yeah. How is it? What's it taste like?
Strawberry.
Is it delicious? Yummy. And then Dad got the chocolate cookie dough fudge.
What's that?
We're gonna go down the big water slide and see how this goes. Everybody's got their raft.
It's not work.
There it goes. Who's next? Adios, Jazz. Okay, mommy's turn. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. Woo, running the turn. Up on the wall. Here we go. Oh. Woo. I almost lost my shorts.
I got a nice wet.
Yeah. All right. Jazz and Dad are going down the big slide together. So you hop in. Oh! Wow! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! This is crazy! Here we go! Boom! There they are. Okay, more water slides. You ready? You want to go on the yellow one?
The blue is this cool.
Yeah, just shoot you down. Headed to the French pool. Pearls and Swirls, 5 out of 10.
Yeah. I think
Bobby D's,
has good eyes.
8 out of 10. Hello, Mr. Mister. Look at these beautiful grounds. Oh my gosh. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those trees, Jordan. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful fountain. Now this, it's right here. Now this is the French Village. Okay, see the French Village? It's the furthest one in the back. And look at this huge bar. You guys can order all your cocktail drinks here. Your Fairy Princess, your Jungle Juice, your Pina Colada.
Oh!
iguanas. Yeah, I told you. The iguana pool is nice, but this also has a hot tub.
Who's the hot dog?
It's back there. You want to check it out? Look at this.
What is that?
See, it's a zero entry pool. They got water going over there. And they got a pool menu.
There we go, bro.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Pina colada, coconut rum.
I would like a strawberry vodka.
Cheers. Cheers, Jazz. We both have pina coladas. You don't have it?
I got the strawberry vodka spritzer. If you don't like real sweet, it's a little more tart, but that's my taste. I like that. And obviously it has a good strawberry taste, so I highly recommend it. Cheers.
So let's see what we got for lunch from Dino's. So we have a veggie pizza.
For mommy.
There you go.
Ooh, that looks good.
And this is Daddy's Hawaiian pizza. Put that over here. Let's see. That's Jasmine's pepperoni. Yum, yum, yum. And where's the little boy? And he got a cheese. So it took about 45 minutes to get our pizza.
Yeah, so if you're hungry, you will want to order before
That looks really good, Jess.
you're free.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go check out the beach at Key West. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, this is the Key West pool. Where's he at? There he is. Did you finish your cookie? Yeah? And you just walk out here to the beach. Another day at the beach. Hey, you guys want to go see Mommy out on the raft?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
Okay. Oh, what'd you find? What is that? Ooh, it looks like some kind of shell.
It's a shell fossil. It's a shell, but
That's very interesting. You want to hold on to it?
Yeah, can you put
Okay.
it up?
I will put this in my pocket. Okay, Jordan, you want to go out and see Mommy on the raft?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Daddy, can you give me my goggles
Yeah, there you go.
and the camera?
Yeah, I'll hold the camera. Do you want your goggles?
Yeah.
Okay, get your hands
Hey
clean.
guys, time to go out with me.
All right, here you go, George. You wanna climb? Oh, bless you. Climb that big raft. Can you climb? There you go. Get over. There, yeah.
Hi guys, so it's me, Jordan. So we're going back to Olivia and to St. Eve. Out.
You're good. What'd you see?
A fish.
Oh, did you?
Did you really?
Yeah. It was a little tiny one.
Oh my goodness. What happened to you?
I buried myself.
You buried yourself. You sure did.
Mom also.
Mom buried you? You look like you're having fun.
Yeah.
So this is Key West pool. It's small, it's pretty. Yeah, this is, oh, it's warm too.
That's what I said.
It's a warm pool.
Oh, it's cold.
Is it cold? Where?
I think it's colder down here.
I wonder if it is.
Hi guys, we're at TURKS CAICOS and we're gonna watch. What is it called, Jordan? The Sesame Seed Show. I'll see you guys when it starts. Bye. And comment below and subscribe to teaching video.
Fun kids.
Two fun kids. Bye.
Oh, you want to do it?
First you spread your limbo feet, then you move to limbo feet, limbo ankle, limbo knee, and back like a limbo tree. Jack be limbo, Jack be quick, Jack go under limbo stick, all around the limbo block. Hey, let's do the limbo rock. I guess. I love this. Limbo. How low can you go? Limbo! How low can you go? This is as low as I can go.
Uh-oh, looks like Bert needs some help. Who can show him how to do it?
You look like you know what you're doing. Come on up here. I am a limbo lunatic.
Hey Bert, I like this limboing.
Limbo till you drop. Every limbo boy and girl all around the limbo world gonna do the limbo rock all around the limbo clock. Jack be limbo, Jack be quick, Jack go under limbo stick all around the limbo clock. Hey, let's do the limbo rock all around the limbo clock. Hey, let's do the limbo rock.
Good dance!
Very good limboing. Thank you so much. You don't have any cookies on you. Just got here.
All right, we're gonna go to Petit Chateau, the French restaurant, for dinner. You know, see what this is like. You guys all ready for dinner?
Yep.
Looking our best. Oh, look at this. Look how pretty this is.
It's dark.
Is it dark in here? Uh-huh. Oh, nice. Here, why don't you stay right there, honey? Thank you. Look at you, handsome boy. Oh, I see a kitty cat. Okay, here's the menu for Le Petit Chateau. The appetizers. Main course. Kids menu. And the dessert. Well, that creme brulee looks really good. Ooh, the kids got grilled chicken,
That's not mine.
carrots, and broccoli, and mashed potatoes. It's gonna be so good, Jess.
Oh, this is good.
You get grilled chicken, mashed potatoes, vegetables, and then I got the cordon bleu. See how it is. I don't know if you should be drinking that. All right, so it's our second night, and we are going to go finish off the night at Bobby D's with some ice cream.
It says no bare feet.
No bare feet? You got to put your shoes on.
Kids area.
The kids area? Okay. Let's see what...
Vanilla strawberry mixed with 2 cherries.
Okay. Well, I'll let you tell them. Tell me what you're getting.
Vanilla.
Sprinkles and cherry. Look. There it comes. Oh. Look at that.
2 cherries. 2 cherries. Just cherries.
You want
Vanilla and strawberry. With 2 cherries.
vanilla, strawberry with 2 cherries. Did you want sprinkles? No sprinkles. Okay.
No, I get 2 cherries.
So good. All right, so here is the banana split with just hot fudge. Looks good. All right, let's try it. See. Oh yeah. That's good. Love the hot fudge. So, if you're at Turks and Caicos beaches, come to Bobby D's for your ice cream. You won't regret it. Okay, Jordan, they have your cookies. You want chocolate chip? Here. There you go, big boy. Jess.
You only have chocolate chip.
Yeah. Jess, do you want a chocolate chip cookie? Okay, Jess gonna get one. This is really pretty through here. Yeah. This is the Italian village. Yeah, it's very nice. Down there's Dino's in the Bombay Indian restaurant. Oh, isn't that pretty? We are heading back to our room through the Italian village. I'm going to hope that Jordan does not fall in the pool. Hold on, bud.
This would almost be the pool to get a cabana only because it's the most crowded pool.
Yeah, this is the most crowded pool. Yeah, we'll have to look into that.
And like,
But
just
the Italian village is really beautiful.
yeah,
It is beautiful.
very nice. I was like,
Yeah. You play tennis at night. It's gonna be a lot cooler in the evening than it would be in the day.